You might have 1,000 reasons for wearing the spyglasses. You might just prepare the material for YouTube, or talk with your bosses, or any other reason. What I'm holding here, it's OHO Sunshine video glasses. It's got HD camera in front, it's got 32GB of internal memory, it's waterproof, and it's got stylish design. The frame of the glasses conceals the camera quite well. Unless you were looking for a camera lens specifically, you might not even notice it. The camera fitted in the sunglasses is a full HD resolution, similar to the one used in the car dashcams, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. The sunglasses got 32GB of an internal storage. HD video files are relatively small, so even if you end up with half of its capacity, which would be 16GB storage, you can still capture over 6 hours of video footage. The OHO Sunshine video glasses are completely weatherproof, splashproof and waterproof. With those ones, you can literally shoot videos underwater. Just be sure to dry your glasses afterward. The OHO video sunglasses coming with a nice hard protective case, which contains an USB cable, manual leaflets, replacement lenses, soft microfiber cleaning cloth and one floating neck strap. And again, here is the mini camera, which is located within the frame. How easy is it to use the OHO camera glasses? Press and hold the record switch button for about 3 to 4 seconds and you'll feel the vibration alert. This signals your recording has begun. A slightly different vibration is felt in photograph mode, so you can fully operate it without taking your eyes and the camera's view away from the subject you want to be captured. How do you get your video files off the sunglasses? This will be done through built-in USB connector. Just plug the dedicated mini USB cable to the OHO and the other end to any USB charging device. The lenses are interchangeable. There is another set of lenses included. And yes, you can use your prescription lenses here. Simply take your glasses to any eyeglass shop along with your prescription and have them fit the right lens precisely to your OHO camera glasses. We are in Liverpool 1. Let's have some tests in the town. Here is some tests on how the OHO video sunglasses compares to GoPro Hero7 Black in terms of image quality, view angle and stabilization. Obviously, OHO camera doesn't have any image stabilization, which makes the image a bit wobbly, so you'll need to make a smooth head movements for the smooth videos. The viewing angle of the OHO glasses measures 63 degrees wide, which is adequate for most video shooting requirements. GoPro obviously has got wider viewing angle comparing to OHO, but as you can see, the wide angle of GoPro slightly distorts the image, giving it kind of fisheye distortion you can't notice in OHO camera. As mentioned earlier, the capture videos are full HD, which means the resolution is effectively 1920 by 1080 pixels. The photos captured by the sunglasses are the same resolution as the videos, which means the photos are only 2.1 megapixels. You won't be able to capture a professional quality video material with these video glasses, but for amateur quality kind of filming, for example a family holiday video to upload it later on YouTube, that quality is just fine. Camera glasses are especially useful when you need your hands for other things, like making hands-on instructional videos on gardening or making crafts. It's a great way to record family events like reunions or holidays gatherings you host, since you're probably busy doing many different things simultaneously. They are ideal for family trips and exploring new hiking trails and capturing it all as you go in a hands-free way. The USB format is 2.0, which isn't the fastest. An internal file system, it's FAT32, which allows to plug any PC or Mac computer to transfer the video files. The internal battery fitted into the video sunglasses has to be recharged through USB cable. The battery used by OHO is a lithium polymer battery. I've been charging it for roughly about 15 to 20 minutes, and that gives me roughly around 1 hour of video recording. Not bad.
Okay. Why are you wearing sunglasses at night?
Quality of the recorded material suffers in the low light conditions. You can see the quality is not as great and the grain is pretty visible. It's kind of a digital noise. What could be improved? Definitely lack of image stabilization, and there's no Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection to fast transfer the captured material to the external devices. I'm sure these two things could be improved in the future. And finally, the price, which is about 90 British pounds or 100 American dollars. All things considered, the price is actually quite reasonable compared to the flexibility and functionality provided. Okay guys, that was the tech review of OHO Sunshine video glasses. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Family Cop TV from Liverpool 1.